poet will go there and will have such type of life. He will live in such type of cottage and he will eat natural honey. Understood? Natural honey. That is very rare in our life. Understood? Now let us read the poem. Poem and explanation. Stanza number
Yes, sir.
one. Let us read.
Stanza 1. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree and a small cabin built there of clay and battles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee and live alone in the bee loud glade. Meaning of arise is stand up and cabin means room. Battles is twisted sticks for making fences walls and glade means clearing or open space and bee loud refers to the sound made by the buzzing of the bees. Sidan.
Now see, first see the poem, poem and explanation. I will rise and go now and go to Innisfree and a small cabin built there of clay and metal made. 9 bean row will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in the big loud glade. See, arise now see word meaning. Arise means stand up. Clear data? The poet will stand up. Cabin means small room, like cottage. Understood? The poet is referring to a cottage here, like this. Okay, small room like a room is not well furnished room as we people have. Actually, room in natural atmosphere, like a small cottage. Understood? Beta?
Yes,
Like
sir.
this. And now see, petals actually twisted sticks for making fence and wall. Actually, you might have seen in movies, yeah, if you might have gone to the jungle, so you might have seen people, tribal people use okay petals to make their fencing and their houses also and walls also. Okay, twisted sticks for making fences and walls. Glad means clearing open space. Okay, be loud refers me to the sound made by the buzzing of the bee. Actually, the poet will go there and he will see and he will hear the buzzing sound of the bees, of the honey bees. Clear, beta? Clear?
Yes,
So see,
sir.
poet will make
Yes,
such
sir.
type of
Clear.
poet, poet will build this type of cabin, such type of hut there, and he will hear the buzzing sound of the honeybees, and he will also eat natural honey. Understood? Now see,
Yes, sir.
now paraphrase, then I will explain. The read,
Should I read?
Should I can?
beta, read.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
beta, read.
here refer to the poet William Yeats. He says that he wants to go to Innisfree. Over there, he will build a small room for himself with clay and small sticks which are used to make the walls or the fences of the cabin, as he will need some food to eat also, so he will grow 9 rows of beans near his room. Also he will get the honey from the honeybee hive. He says that the open space where he will build his room will be full of buzzing sound of the bees, and over there he will live alone in peace and tranquility. Sidan.
Now see, here I here refers to the poet. Who's I here? Poet.
Sir William
William
Yeats.
William William Butler Yeats. Okay, that was his full name. He says
Yes,
that he
sir.
wants to go. The poet says that he wants to go to Innisfree. Over there, he will build a small room for himself, and he will live there. He will build a small room for himself with clay. Clay means okay, clay, mitti, okay, and small sticks and small twisted sticks which are used to make the walls or the fences of the cabin. Clear? Clear, beta? Clear? Clear,
Yes, sir.
beta? Say
Clear.
yes or no. People don't
Yes,
speak. Actually, the problem is
yes, sir.
many are only silent. How can I know
Yes,
whether you are getting or not? Say yes or no. He will build a small
Yes,
room. Kevin will say a small room for himself with clay. Okay, you know clay, like China clay. Okay, mud, mitti. Okay, and small sticks. He will make. He will build a small cabin for himself with clay and small sticks, which are used to make the walls or fences of the cabin. As he will need some food because he will live there, so he will need food also. As he will need some food to eat also, so he will grow 9 rows, 9 lines. Beans, beans, same beans, beans. You might have eaten beans near his room.
Yes, sir.
And for food, he will grow 9 rows of beans near his room. Also, he will get honey, and he will get natural honey, totally fresh. Okay. Also, he will get the honey from honey bee hive. Okay, from honey bee hive. Hive means satta. Understood? Clear? He says that open space where he would build his room will be full of buzzing sound. I think there would be many bees, they would be humming, would be making buzzing sound, and the whole space, the whole area, the whole region where the poet would live would be full of buzzing sound of the bee. Okay, and where he says that the open space where he will build his room will be full of buzzing sound of the bees all over. There he will live all alone, and he will live there all alone. Nobody will be with him. He will go there alone, and he will live there alone. No companion. In peace and tranquility, both meaning peace. In peace, tranquility means calmness, peace. And peacefully, he will live there. Clear, beta? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the stanza. Now see, I will rise, I will stand. Actually, the poet is thinking that he will go. I will rise, the poet will stand up and go down. Just now I will go. Understood? Where? In his sleep. And go to in his sleep. The poet is saying that he will rise, he will stand up and go now. Just now he will go. And he will go to in his sleep. In the black isle of in his sleep. Clear, beta? The poet has determined
Yes,
that
sir.
just
Clear.
now
Yes, sir.
the poet had determined that just now he would rise up, okay, he would stand up, and just now he will go, and he will go to the lake Isle in his sleep. Clear, beta? Clear? And see. And a
Yes, sir.
small
Clear.
cabin, yes, and a small cabin. Cabin means small room. Build there, and he will build a small room there, like this cottage. Okay, and he will build a small room like this cottage, as you see in the image, of clay, with the help of clay, with the help of mud and wattle made. Wattle means twisted sticks. Okay, and he will use clay, mud and sticks to build a small room there. Clear, beta? He will not use cement, sand and iron rods. He will not use artificial material. He will use natural material like mud, like clay, and like sticks. As you might have seen in movies, if you might have gone in jungles, you might have seen the cottages of tribal people. Their cottages are totally natural. Clear, beta? No cement, no, okay, no this and no birla white putty, this and that. Understood? Understood, beta? And a small cabin, and there he will make, there he will build a small cottage, a small room like this cottage with clay and with sticks. He will not use any unnatural material like cement, sand, okay, iron, this and that. He will use natural things to build his cabin, his room, his cottage. Clear, beta? Clear, beta?
Yes, sir. Clear.
And he will not eat any pizza burger, chow mein burger, okay, noodles, this and that. He will eat only natural things that will be grown there near his room, near his house. Understood? And
Yes, sir.
for
Understood.
food, what he will do? 9 beans, sorry, 9 bean rows will I have there. And they will grow. And for food, the poet will grow 9 rows of beans near his room. And he will make vegetable, he will prepare vegetable, and that fresh vegetable of beans he will eat. So he will eat. Understood? At night, there are Mute your mic. Background sound is coming. Nine bean rows I will have there, and the poet will grow nine rows of beans there. Here is cottage. And a hive, he will also have a hive for the honeybee, and he will have a hive for honeybee. Honeybees will come and they will collect honey for him, and he will use that. He will, in this way, he will get pure honey. Okay, clear, beta? And a hive, he will have a hive for honeybees. Okay, and honeybees will come and they will collect nectar in the hive, and that nectar will be changed into honey, and from that hive the food will get natural honey and live alone, and we will live alone. No company will be there, no friend will be there, no family member will be there. We will live alone in the bee loud glade. Okay, and he will live there in the space that is always full of the buzzing sound of the bees, and live alone. He will live alone, and there he will live alone in the bee loud glade. Okay, in the open space. Okay, that is always full of the buzzing sound of the honeybees. Clear, beta? Any conclusion? Clear,
No,
beta?
sir, clear, no confusion.
I will rise and go now, and go to any spree, and a small cabin will there of clay and betel made. Nine bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybees, and live alone in the bee loud glade. How will you read? See, I will rise and go now, go to Innisfree, and a small cabin will there of clay and betel made. Nine bean row will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. Understood?